Okay, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's also pretty cool is I vibe coded a kind of Loom recording software too. So that's what I'm using to record this video. Anyways, I wanted to show you the updated version of the trading journal. So let's check it out. So this is essentially the website. Here you go. It's the link. Boom. Uh, Trading journal, blah, blah, blah. Don't need to read any of this. AI designed it for me, and basically the only reason for me to have the website was so you guys can actually download it. So here's two options: download for Windows. Boom, I have Mac, so I would want to download it for Mac. Kaboom, download it. It's the third time I've downloaded this one. Yeah, as you can see here. And essentially, once it's downloaded, which is right now, just click on it, double click. At least this is how you do it on Mac. You drag it into this folder, kaboom, kaboom. I already have mine here, so I won't do it. Anyways, and now I have fixed a couple of things. So we had the issue with, is this lagging? No. We had the issue with the RR calculator, and I fixed that. Now you ask yourself, how? How did this guy fix that? Well, I fixed it by you guys having to manually set a default risk. So for example, if you risk 500 USD per trade, then you simply head over to settings and insert 500 here, and 500 will be your 1R basically, and it will be calculated on that. And then you just click recalculate all if you have added trades, and it will automatically recalculate those. Also, all your data is stored locally, which is right here inside the application. And I named it Aurify. Why? Because I had a domain called aurify.dev that I didn't use. So I just put it on there, and that's why it's called Aurify. No real reason for it, because I had a kind of a business thing going on a while ago, which was called Aurify. Anyways, and some other things that changed. Yeah, so both of these are essentially in one. So the trade log, you can click add trades, get the manual trade, or you can add it here. The process made smoother. It runs faster now as well. Here the recordings, same stuff as before. Just hit record, and you have to allow RFI to record this computer screen and audio. So yeah, I guess I can just do it now. There it is. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Quit and reopen, I guess. Like so, and then record. Okay, there's some. Uh-huh. Apparently, I have to allow two two RFIs. I guess it's because they. I don't know. The recording software is a software inside of RFI. I'm not sure. Perhaps I will fix this somehow. So this is the recording thing. You can stop it right here. If you're like going on a toilet break or whatever, then you can start it again. And then once you click stop, this thing pops up, and you can write. I don't know, London session. Yeah, for example, boom, and then you have it right here. And what's also nice, what I didn't show you guys before, I'm not sure you can hear the audio here, but what you can do is you can annotate here, and you can annotate to a certain timestamp. So, for example, if I go here to 5 seconds in, and this would be my entry for a trade, let's say, you can annotate here, and it's 5 seconds in, and you say, this entry was bad, shouldn't have taken it, right? And then if you have a 2 hour long recording, for example, it's super easy because you can just click here, and it automatically takes you to this timestamp, and you know what that mistake was, and you can learn from it. Make sense? I think it's pretty obvious. And here you can write general notes for the video, which I already went over. Here, statistics. Yeah, journal. I made it look a little bit different. Still not super happy with this journal, but right now it's like you have the side columns here of journals. So for example, if we add another journal here, just like so, then here it pops up the most recent journal thing. Make sense? I think it's a pretty nice way to do it. And then there's the playbook again. So those are the updates. It's now live, so you can download it from the link in the Discord or in the link in my YouTube bio. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you take some value from it, because it's essentially a free TradeZilla. Anyways, see you in the next one. Peace and bye.